Hi, MorieDaMisfit here. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look. I don't know how much I'm going to be talking here, but yeah. So we're going to start off with e.l.f. The eyebrow clear bullshit. I don't know. I just grab shit. Oh my goodness. Please behave. Oh my goodness. Please behave. Mind y'all, I did just get this. I forgot. I got deep brown eyebrow pencil from e.l.f. too. Ta-da! Okay. Even though it's a simple makeup look, I really do this. I'm going to go with, okay. The next thing I do is get either one of these two concealers because they deep cinnamon. One's just a Cambo. One is a hydrating Cambo. So, I don't know. But I realized that, like, the other two times I tried to record this video, so. And I just go here, here, here. And then go with the little eggy thing and beat. And then that's it. I'm gonna put this brown liner on. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. It don't really show up as much. But you line the lips. Y'all finna see me struggle with this eyeliner. Yeah. It's e.l.f. All my products almost e.l.f. and not ever was it. Start out small, try to get them to match. If they don't match, then we just go to war. Also, I'm letting my edges cook under this. I've been putting on a wig on for like, well, I'm lazy. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm not even gonna fight this today. You get Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. I don't really put it on. It's just. find the pair of lashes you want. If it wants to be respectful. I like my babies flared up. Since I'm not finna fight with this, I'm gonna put some stuff under my other eyes. And then sometimes if you make a mistake, you get a Q-tip, get your saliva, and just go like that. Okay, I'm about to put on this wig and eat. Give me a second. I told y'all I was cooking on it. I was cooking. And now you gotta put the lipsticks on. Stop. And that's it. Okay, I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe. I did a makeup look for the one time. It changes every single time I do it, so I'll see y'all later. Bye.